Hello guys, it's HDT3 here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own YouTube or Twitch profile picture just like this one. And by the way, this method only works for desktop user, so if you are on mobile, this method is not going to work. But don't worry, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can do it on mobile. So you better be subscribed. So the first thing that you need to do is go into any web browser and search for radial background. Choose any background that you want and save it to your computer. For me, I will just use this one. And then go to pixlr.com. I will leave a link down in the description. So when you're in this page, click on pixlr. It should bring you to this page. After that, click on Create New right over here. Change the width and the height to 500 by 500 and click Create. Click Layer right up here and click Add Image as Layer. And then choose the image that you saved earlier. Resize the image so it will fit perfectly in the box. And then click the letter T in the left hand side to add text. Click on Add Text right up here. And then edit your text. You can choose the font by clicking up right over here and choose the font. You can choose the color of the letter by click on the color right up here. Then for me, I will use white. You can resize the text by changing the number up here. You can move it wherever you want. And then click on Style to add outline. You can change the color of the outline by click on that and then change it. You can resize the outline just like that. And there you go. Now you're done. Click on File up here. Save. Click on that. And then change the name of your image. And then click download. I already have it, so I won't download it. But for you, you're gonna click on download. When you have downloaded your logo, just go to your YouTube channel and then click on your profile picture that you are currently have. And then it should bring you to the YouTube Studio channel customization. Click on change and then choose the image that you want to replace with this. And there you go. So if you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more videos from me. Comment down below what problem you are having and I would be happy to check out your logo. Comment down below your YouTube channel so I will check it out. Have a nice day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!